is older than their dad. My mother is the eldest of the family. When I was born, when Willie Miller was just a single boy, he told my mom, "Can you name that boy after me?" Just in case, something happened to my traveling and all that, but I need someone to name after me. So that means I'm older than every one of them. Harry, Latu, and Mo, I'm older than them. And that's how it comes to be Willie, and my dad is Tavita, who married to Willie Miller's sister, older sister. So that's the relations, but we grew up together. So many beautiful, wonderful memories. I don't think there'll be time to tell, but just like Monica was saying, we need to celebrate the gift of life that God gives to Harry, and the gift and the talent of music that Harry shared to the world, to the kids, and to the family. Unfortunately, I was never become a guitarist when we were playing together. I played drums for the Miller's Quartet and the Miller's Quintet. And every time Auntie Wina came to Samoa, it's a privilege to see Auntie Wina jamming with the old man, Uncle Willie, and I just said to myself, oh, I wish I could sing like them. But it's just that there were only two people that motivates me to sing, and that's my Uncle Will Miller and my idol, Elvis. So we're gonna swing up a little bit. For sure enough, me and the boys were just this morning we were singing this song because definitely Harry's flying in the moon, visiting all the planets, and he's with his Lord above. Sami Taro, fly me to the moon. See if we can do that.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what springs like Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words,